Hey guys, what up? In today's video, I found this awesome library for YouTube videos, and it's just so amazing. It's a sound library. So a sound library is basically a library on the internet where you can download songs for free. It's called Epidemic Sound. Just for your information, this video is not sponsored. I just thought it would be a fun video to make to tell you guys about it. Not copyrighted, but you can get all these different plans and stuff, like the creator plan and other plans. I'm not gonna buy them because I'm too cheap. So if you want awesome music for your YouTube videos, then go to Epidemic Sound. That's epidemicsound.com. And you can get some awesome music for your YouTube videos. Ow! I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up so more people can figure out about my channel. And make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you can see more of my face and my cringy videos. I hope this video helped you figure out if you needed help for YouTube songs that are copyright free. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.